excited to join this event, this tour campus, because I can know the SEGi University. It can make me know more about the university in Malaysia.
At the same time, I would like to include that our Professor Dr. Sri Kumar.
Talking about research and with the keywords that publications is not a marathon, it's actually a sprint.
You can be able to do it. It is not easy, but it is possible.
So that kind of criteria will motivate all of them. Actually, it's also at the same time literally motivates me a lot, and which will help me a lot in my future journey. So thank you so much. It's my great pleasure to be here, and it will be great pleasure to join in upcoming conference. Thank you so much.